put these crumbs to work. 20 to 50. All right, 10.50. We'll take that. All right, another rip. Let's go. Let's get some bonus. All right, $9. We'll take it. Bonus. Let's get bonus. Come on, come on. Ooh. Bonus, come on. All right. All right, so we're looking for 3 bonuses, I believe.
3 bonuses or 6 orbs.
Oh, that's one. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Let's go, come on. Come on, one more. One more. Oh, man.
Gosh. The sweat is real.
All right, let's go, pal.
17 credits.
All right, shoot.
Bump it down.
Bump it down. Let's bump it down to 2 bets. $15. All right. $7.
$9 left. We're gonna take our $9 and run with their tails between our legs right now.